Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue polygon that consists of two rectangles, the top rectangle and the bottom rectangle, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this top rectangle has been given to us as 96 centimeter square, whereas the area of this bottom rectangle is 231 centimeter square. And moreover, this horizontal segment length is 2x. The vertical segment length is 3x. And finally, this vertical segment length is 2x plus 3. And now our task is to calculate the perimeter of this blue polygon. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Since we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given blue polygon, and we know the perimeter of the polygon is going to be the sum of all these side lengths of this blue polygon. So therefore, we are going to find the value of x first. And now let's focus on this top rectangle. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area is always equal to length times width of the rectangle. And in our case, the dimensions of this top rectangles are 2x and 3x. And the area of this rectangle has been given to us as 96. So therefore, we are going to fill in the blanks in this formula. So the area is 96 is going to be equal to 2x times 3x. Let's simplify. We're going to get 96 equal to 6 times x square. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 6 to isolate x square. And here we can see 6 and 6 is gone. So therefore, x square value turns out to be 16. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore, our x value is going to be positive 4 centimeter. So thus our x value turns out to be 4, and I am going to substitute x equal to 4 value over here, and over here as well. If we substitute value over here, that is going to be 2 times 4 is going to give us 8 centimeter. If we substitute x value equals to 4 over here, that is going to be 12 centimeter. And if we substitute x equal to 4 value over here, 2 times 4 is going to be 8 plus 3 is going to be 11. So thus our side lengths turns out to be 8, 12 and 11. And now our task is to calculate the value of this side length. I'm going to label that one as lowercase y. And we know this segment length is going to be same as this one. We know this is 8. So this segment length turns out to be 8 as well. So therefore, this whole side length is going to be y plus 8. So therefore, this is going to be same as this one. So this is going to be y plus 8. And now our task is to find the value of y. And now we are going to focus on this bottom rectangle. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula once again. Area equals to length times width of the rectangle. And in our case, our dimensions are 11 and y plus 8. And the area of this bottom rectangle has been given to us as 231. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we got 231 is going to be equal to 11 times y plus 8. And now we are going to distribute 11. So therefore, we're going to have 231 equals to 11 times y plus 88. And now I am going to subtract 88 from both sides. So therefore we are going to get 143 equals to, this cancels out, so we ended up with 11 times y on the right hand side. And now we are going to divide both sides by 11 to isolate y, and here we can see 11 and 11 is gone, so therefore our y value turns out to be 13 centimeter. So thus our this y value turns out to be 13 centimeter. And likewise this side length is going to be, y is 13 plus 8 is going to give us 21 centimeter. And finally this side length is going to be the sum of these two individual lengths, 12, and this length 11. So therefore this side length turns out to be 12 plus 11 is going to make it 23 centimeter. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this blue polygon. In other words, we are going to add up all these side lengths, 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 11 plus 21 and finally plus 23. So let's go ahead and add up all those numbers. I'm going to write down 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 11 plus 21 and plus finally 23. And if we add all these numbers, that is going to give us 88 centimeter. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the blue polygon perimeter turns out to be 88 centimeter. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.